Multiply 17.5 by 2.5 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 7 plus the carried 2 is 37. Put 7 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 1 plus the carried 3 is 8. The first partial product is 875. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. The second partial product is 3,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the hundreds column, 8 plus 5 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 4,375. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 4,375 becomes 43.75. So 17.5 times 2.5 is 43.75.